it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I've got for you a Superdrug haul. Yes, so today's video is a Superdrug haul. I've got a box full of goodies for us to go through. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm going to open it now and go through what I picked up this month with you guys. Okay, so it's not the craziest of hauls. There's not an awful lot of things and not an awful lot of exciting things either. I'm really selling this video and anyway, right, let's just dive in. Okay, so the first things I'm going to show you are very similar to some things that I picked up last month. I bought some more hand wash. It's needed, it's necessary at this time in the world, but it's also necessary anyway. But yeah, so I like to have backups in every kind of bathroom and kitchen and things. So anyway, I picked up some that I should show you. So firstly then, I'm going to show you these three, which are Carex ones, and they're all a little bit different. They didn't have, I like the Dove one that's shea butter and vanilla, smells gorgeous, but they didn't have any of that. So I got 3 bottles of this one, these, which are Carex. Carex is a good brand. They were £1 each, and they all have various crazy smells to them. So 2 of them are Mr. Men ones. One smells like, this one smells tutti frutti. I've got one that smells like sherbet lemon. And then I got this one, which is a unicorn magic one. I just, needed hand cream, hand wash. These were £1 each, and I thought they kind of were like fun flavours and things. So yeah, flavours. I'm not going to eat it, am I, honestly? I also got a hand wash from Superdrug themselves. This is their just original antibacterial hand wash. This is £1. But I also got these, which are Superdrug's aloe vera handy cleansing wipes, which are antibacterial. I just thought that was a really good one to kind of have for going on the go. And they were on buy one get one free. So they kind of made them about 50p each. Oh, sorry, these were £1 and 5p at full price. So they worked out about just over 50p each, which quite good, isn't it? Okay, so the next things I got were kind of a similar themed again. I've picked up some Vaseline Intensive Care hand cream with anti-bac in it. My hands have been so dry recently from all the kind of hand sanitizer I've been using. And this one's a hand cream that has it built in. So I'm hoping it'll be good. It's from Vaseline. It's supposed to obviously moisturise very deeply. It says it's non-greasy. I just thought it was going to be really useful because I'm having to put it on so many times a day for work and things, and my hands have been so dry. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to using that. So these are actually £3.99 each, but when I got them, they were on buy one get one free. So I think that offer was still on as I'm filming this. Hopefully it'll still be on as you're watching. So yeah, I mean, I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Has any of you tried it? In fact, I'm going to put a bit on now, just to see how it feels, because my hands are dry, so some hand cream might be nice. I just rubbed my nose, probably knocked makeup. It doesn't go like hand cream. That's weird. It feels a little bit more watery. Okay. It says non-greasy, but it didn't really sink in very quickly. So I'm gonna have, well, not greasy fingers. I suppose it doesn't feel greasy, just slightly wet. Weird. Anyway, so yes, I picked those up. I thought they would be good. It's not greasy, it's slightly sticky though. The next things I picked up were on 3 for 2. There was like a 3 for 2 across Superdrug's like face masks and foot things and stuff. So anyway, I'll show you what I picked up. First thing then I got is from the Vitamin E range, and it is their moisturising sheet mask with vitamin E, obviously. I love the Superdrug Vitamin E range, and so I thought, I didn't realise they had a face mask in it, so I thought I would try this one. Perfect for a face mask Friday. Oh, I've got, you should see my stash of face masks, it's ridiculous. So this is £1.99, but like I say, it was on the 3 for 2, so I'll show you the other things that I got. The next thing then is another mask. This one's from the Naturally Radiant range. Love the Naturally Radiant range too. This is their glycolic sheet mask. So I use their glycolic toner. Did I say that weird? I use their toner, so I really like that, so I thought this would be fab. So this one I think was a bit more than this one. This one was £2.49, but again it was this 3 for 2, so it was fine. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that, because like I say, I do love that range. So both of those are fantastic, and they are both brand new. It's probably why I hadn't seen them before. And the last thing on that 3 for 2 then, I picked myself up a foot pack. I got it in the tea tree and peppermint one. I love these things. They're just a good like little pampery treat really, and I just thought on the 3 for 2, I'll get that. This one is £1.99, so they were all around £2 each. So I got them on the 3 for 2. So fab. Okay, and the last thing that I got was a bargain. These were 3 for 2 as well, but they were also on sale. So I got these things. I actually have bought one of these before for Chris. It's the B-Men Volcanic Cleansing 4-in-1 Wash, which Chris uses, and then a shaving cream. And these were 49p each, 3 for 2. So these cost me 98p for 3 of them. Absolute bargain. I was looking on there, actually, I found them because I was after getting one of the big ones of the face wash to put away for Chris. But I couldn't see it. I don't know if they've changed the range recently and they had like different things. But anyway, I picked these up. 98p. Bargain. What I'll probably do actually is give these to Chris, and I'll probably use these for shaving my legs. 98p. Okay, so that's today's Superdrug haul. Like I say, it wasn't like a crazy haul. There wasn't an awful lot of things I want to pick up. Like I said, just stocking up on the hand wash again. Exciting life I lead, isn't it? Yeah, the hand stuff that actually has dried in quite nicely. It's non-greasy and my hands do feel a little bit more moisturised than they did before. So that, yeah, hand cream with antibac in it should be fab. So yes, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of what I've picked up. Let me know what you think of those face masks. Which one should I use first on Face Mask Friday? And if you've enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe. I do hauls like this all of the time, so keep your eye out. Hit that subscribe button. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.